Getting a visa for the UK depends on various factors, such as your purpose of visit, nationality, and other personal circumstances. Here's a general guide on how to apply for a UK visa. Determine the type of visa you need. The UK offers various types of visas for different purposes such as tourism, study, work, family visits, and more. Determine which visa category suits your purpose of visit. Check eligibility. Each visa category has specific eligibility criteria. Make sure you meet all the requirements before applying. You can check these on the UK government's official website. Complete the application form. Once you've determined the type of visa you need and confirmed your eligibility, you'll need to complete the online visa application form. Provide accurate and honest information. Gather required documents. Prepare all the necessary documents to support your visa application. These may include passport, photographs, proof of funds, travel itinerary, accommodation details, and any other documents relevant to your visa category. Biometric appointment. Depending on your nationality, you may need to schedule an appointment to provide biometric data, fingerprints and photograph, at a visa application center. Pay the visa fee. Visa fees vary depending on the type of visa you're applying for. Pay the required fee online as part of the application process. Submit your application. After completing the online form and gathering all necessary documents, submit your application either online or at a visa application center, depending on the procedure for your country. Wait for processing. Once you've submitted your application, you'll need to wait for it to be processed. Processing times can vary, depending on the type of visa and your location. Decision on your visa. You'll be notified of the decision on your visa application. If your visa is approved, you'll receive your passport with a visa stamped in it. Travel to the UK. If your visa is approved, you can travel to the UK within the validity period of your visa. Make sure to adhere to the conditions of your visa while in the UK.